Welcome back everybody to my channel where you subscribe for daily videos on everything going on in crypto. Today is a huge day because the FOMC meeting is here and we are gone. Nah. Find out what the Fed's next move is gone. Nah. Be regarding interest rates. In addition to that, we have some very important CPI data that just released today, and it's showing us exactly where inflation is, and if the Fed is gone, be able to get it under control. This is extremely important for crypto and the stock market. And you definitely want to watch this video to find out how you can take advantage of the situation. But first, hit that like button. It really helps me out. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I post daily so you won't miss another video. Okay, so here's the deal. Today, the Fed is supposed to be making their announcement regarding interest rates. They're supposed to be communicating with us exactly where they're at, what their plan is moving forward. But guess what? We already know what they're going to say, and it's already been priced into the market. So basically, the stock market and crypto have already reacted to this news, and it's probably gone. Continue to do so over the next 24 hours. Why? Because we also got our CPI data today, and it's showing us exactly where inflation is. So what does the data say? Well, overall, the CPI has come down month over month, which is exactly what we would expect. We were at 9.1% in June. Now we're at 9%. That is great news. However, when we look deeper into this report, we see something really interesting. When we take a look at core inflation, which is basically inflation without food and energy, because those are a little more volatile, we see that core inflation has actually gone up month over month. It went from 5.9% to 6.3%. That is not good. That is actually bad news. This is going to lead to the Fed potentially having to be more aggressive with their rate hikes. And the market is pricing in a 75 basis point rate hike for July, which is already being priced in. So what does this mean for ETH? Well, quite a lot actually. First of all, we have the FOMC meeting today, which means that there's going to be volatility in the market. Crypto doesn't like volatility, and neither does the stock market. We've already seen this morning that the stock market is reacting to this news, and it is starting to go down. In addition to that, we have the Ethereum merge coming up in July. That is going to be a huge catalyst for ETH. However, until we see that merge actually happen, until we see it actually play out, we're probably going to see a lot of volatility and maybe even some profit taking along the way. Overall, I think that ETH is going to continue to do well. I think it's going to continue to go to new heights, but I think we need to be prepared for some volatility along the way. And with that being said, make sure to take profits and be safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.